Right, so I'm going to show you how to blur out something in Premiere Pro, which is very, very simple to do. So make sure your video is aligned. Okay, so now what we need to do now is just make an adjustment layer, right? So if you come to the left corner, it says new item, adjustment layer, press OK. Drag it across to your video where you want it to start and when you want to finish. Make sure it's aligned the way you want it to. So I'm just going to leave it halfway through. Come to the window, effects, type in Gaussian blur, right? So take the Gaussian blur, put it on your adjustment layer. Now what we need to do now is just select Gaussian blur, select the free draw bezier because it makes everything so much easier, right? And make sure that you basically blur out what you want to blur out, right? So I'm just going to do this. It doesn't, it's really up to you how you want it or how much or how you want it to be, how to look, right? So for me, this is good enough. What I'm going to do now is you need to come to mask and make sure you see blurriness right now, because as you can see, nothing's blurry. The reason it's not blurry because we haven't selected a value. Now the values goes from 0 to 100, right? Obviously 0 being nothing, 100 being the most blurry. So I'm going to select about 45, which is, I would say, pretty good. So as you can see now, we can obviously move the mask, right, how you wish. You can adjust it, right? We can make it bigger, smaller. We can adjust it. Now, if for some reason, for example, you come to adjustment layer and you want to change this, all we need to do is just come to the mask option and just select the mask, right? You may have a lot of masks, so you may have to look through which one's the one you're looking for. Just select and you can change it. Now, why did I select an adjustment layer? Because adjustment layer, as you can see, what it does when when the adjustment layer hasn't started, it doesn't blur anything. When the adjustment layer finishes, it goes out. So adjustment layer is like the little overlay that just allows us to basically align it and make it easier for us to select it when we want this to work. So this is how you blur out something out. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment. If you want to see a specific video or a specific tutorial, especially about Adobe Products, make sure to hit me in the comments. Peace.